Hey guys, welcome to Day with Paylos again. We are going to do...
Okay!
Push. I need backup! So the kids just hover around you like a moon around the earth, just orbiting and just shooting you so you never get to come alive again. Absolute cheaters!
Want to go home? One, two, three.
Wasted!
Just did a game of laser tag. We won, of course, the grown-ups. And
No, we won.
What?
He's lying. We're having slushies to cool down because we're very tired and hot from that game.
We need a quick break because we're gonna go play some mini golf and we're gonna give them a chance to win again. I mean, win for the first time. Win.
Hello everyone. We got time for one race and then, guess what? We're out of here. Hey guys, we just finished the arcade. That was a whole heap of fun.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!
We're playing some mini golf.
Or as the pros call it, golf.
hi.
You'll never take me alive!
Whoa, mate, I got a kryptonite ball.
Whoa.